Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am here with a very interesting topic, that is comprehension, which we also call it unseen passage. Today I will explain you about the comprehension and also the rules for comprehension, that how can we solve the questions given in the comprehension. So first I will explain you what is unseen passage. So students, unseen passage means a piece of writing that you haven't read. And what is comprehension? Comprehension means the ability, the power to understand something. Now we will learn the rules for the comprehension. So the first rule is read the passage. Whatever passage is given, you have to read it thoroughly, as well as you have to read the questions related to the passage. Read the passage again and again to understand the meaning of the given passage. While reading, you have to try to recall or remember the questions which are related to the passage, which is given in the passage. You have to underline the words or sentences that gives the similar meaning to the answer of the questions. When you are reading, you have to underline the words or the sentences which you understand that it is giving the similar meaning to the answer of the questions which are given in the passage. Now you can write the answer in your own words. Alright children, you can see here a comprehension. First we will read it, as well as we will read the questions which are given in the passage. Children, one thing you have to keep in your mind, which I have told you before, while reading, you remember the questions and underline the words or sentences that gives the similar meaning to the question. So let's start reading the passage. Everybody knows Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was a simple man. He was the first president of India. His belief was that it was wrong on the part of anyone to multiply his needs in an unnecessary manner. His motto was simple living and high thinking. He was a great believer in the industries because he thought that they were the means to national prosperity. He worked hard for India. Indians can't forget him after his death. Now we will answer these questions which are written here. Who was the first president? Our first president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What type of life did Dr. Rajendra Prasad live? Dr. Rajendra Prasad lived simple life with high thinking. What did he believe in? He believed in industries because he thought that they were the means of national prosperity. Students, I hope you have understood the topic. So go through more and more comprehensions through any practice book so that you can get into the practice of it. Till then, take care.